Hello everyone, please join me. In this video tutorial you will see how to crochet my cute spiral motif. This is my own pattern. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. For work I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. Let's look at my project. In this case I used variegated yarn. I remind you all additional information about the tools, useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Here how it looks. It is very beautiful and the front side has the volume. For this video you just need to know how to crochet front post, double crochet stitches and picots and some chains. It could be like a separate motif or it could be part of big project. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. I'm working with back side and I will work by spiral direction. Make chain of 2, then chain of 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make a slip stitch. Then make 8 double crochet with picot. Make double crochet, then chain of 3 and work with a slip stitch into the loops of the double crochet. 2, make double crochet. In total it should be 8 of them. Chain of 3 and picot. 3 and picot. 4 and picot. 5 and picot. 6 and picot. 7 and picot. And 8 and picot. I skip chains. I will not use it. Then I will work with each stitch that I did before and make double crochet twice into each stitch. Make front post double crochet. And picot, chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into the loops of the double crochet. And make the second front post double crochet. Like this. Let's stop and look. I take stitch marker and mark this stitch So I'm going to work with front post double crochet twice around each stitch. I will do 2 front post double crochet, and you should continue working by yourself. 1 and picot, and make this second front post double crochet and picot. Keep working in this way till the stitch marker. Then I will show you how to crochet the next round. Work with each stitch of the previous row or round. So make front post double crochet twice, 8 times. And this is the front side. I've done all my front post double crochet stitches. In this round, I made front post double crochet twice around each stitch. And don't forget about the picot, and let's look at the front side. Insert the hook from the back and take the working yarn, pull it through. I removed a long piece of yarn. Here what I have. You can use it for any project. I continue working on my motif. Let's crochet one more round. I remove the stitch marker. Make front post double crochet around the stitch that I marked before. Chain of 3 and work with a slip stitch into the loops of the double crochet. Make 2 front post double crochet with picot, 1 and picot, and 2, and picot. All done. Let's stop. I mark my first stitch. It is going to beginning of the next round. Then I will alternate with 2 front post double crochet and just front post double crochet. Then I will alternate with front post double crochet and 2 front post double crochet stitches with picot. I will start and you should continue working by yourself. Make front post double crochet, picot, then 2 front post double crochet around the next stitch, and picot, and make the second one. Picot, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round, or till the stitch marker. Once I have done my stitches till the stitch marker, I'm about to complete my motif. I remove the stitch marker. Make front post half double crochet around the stitch that I marked before. Make front post single crochet around the next stitch. make a chain to secure the yarn. I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches on this side of the project. And after this, I will show you my ready project. So that's it, my project is ready. In this video tutorial, you have seen how to crochet my cute spiral motif that consists of front post double crochet stitches with picot. It could be perfect for any project. You can use it like a separate motif, or you can use it in Irish or guipure laces. Let's look at the second example. For this one, I used variegated yarn. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. In this case, I used wool yarn, or in this case, I used another kind of yarn. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. You can put this motif to the back, hat, scarf, or another big project. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!